What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. I want to give a happy birthday to my niece, Aileen. Happy birthday, mija. Hope you have a good day. Hope you're having an awesome day. So today we got this vintage deluxe from Majorette, Volkswagen T1 Food Truck. Very cool in black. And it has a metal body, rubber tires, suspension, open parts, and licensed vehicle. Very cool. Let's check that out. Check that out. Very cool. A little box. Nice. There it is. Look at that. Very cool. Look at the little wheels. It's a very nice model, huh? Look at the back. It's so cool. Oh, let's go see what these kids are doing. No. What are you doing?
Yeah, you are recording.
Yeah, you guys are hiking. You guys are caving. Hop up.
Happy birthday.
Do it again.
No. Happy birthday, Aileen.
Say hi, Micah.
Play.
Yeah, you guys can play. That's pretty cool paint. The mate. Careful, dude. No.
Don't put it. Okay. You don't like it.
You don't like me recording you guys?
Yeah.
I'm recording the car. Big burger, chef. All the ingredients, you got a burger, fries, chicken wings, premium quality guaranteed. Check that out. Within two, very cool. What is it?
Hamburger truck.
A what? A hamburger truck?
Hamburger.
You like hamburgers?
Especially a Big Mac from
McDonald's. So there it is. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Peace. So today is Aileen's birthday. Say something to her.
Happy birthday, and I hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.